So Bootmod did an update. They added the multi-stage map, and you can switch from your steering wheel, and they added anti-lag. So that's what I'm interested in. So I'm gonna go out and test it. Just let my car warm up a little bit, and we're gonna go test that out. Okay, so I figured it out. This button for to control the cruise control, it has 2 clicks up and down. So there's this one click right here, like a slight click, and then there's another click that it goes up further. I figured they would have done it so that you push it all the way up, but it's actually just the first slight kick. So just that little one right there, not the big one. So now, I did it earlier. I wasn't going fast, but it definitely engaged. So now I'm gonna get back on and I'm gonna try this again. Alright, so now that I know how to use it, you can do it anywhere. Like, I thought I needed like serious space. I mean, I guess this car doesn't have that much horsepower, but even this little short distance right here, pretty cool feature. Alright, my little eBay suction cup. I'm gonna definitely get the official GoPro one because I don't even know how I feel about this one, but I want some exhaust sound and some exhaust clips, so I'm just praying this thing doesn't fall off. But yeah, let me go get these clips. Gonna use it again right here. I know these cars aren't about to expect this. Not the best place to do it, but you know, I had to one more time. This thing is pretty fun. Now, it really can't compare to the rolling anti-lag that I'm used to. Like, the first time I felt that was in my friend's, what, 1600 horsepower GTR. So that thing felt unbelievable. And now that I'm doing the same thing, it really doesn't feel as impressive as that, but I'm still impressed for the horsepower that this car has and how it operates. It's pretty cool.